what's up people? Welcome back to my channel Miss Mesh and I am Meshwa. So a big hello to everybody watching this video, and yes, in today's video I'll be sharing different ways in which you can tie your hair when your hair are not doing so good or are very frizzy. Obviously हम सबको ये चीज अभी बहुत ही ज्यादा परेशान कर रही होगी because we are not at all in the mood of washing our hair, you know, in 3 days or 4 days of interval. So don't you worry, without washing hair also we could look nice. So yeah, but one more thing that different ways would be including two both hairstyles which you can do when you know are going to some marriage function or any function in which you are wearing traditional. So yeah, stay tuned for that also. Now without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So guys, our first hairstyle would be very simple. First you need to part your hairs in two sections like this. So I've parted my hair in two sides. Now eventually what we are going to do is हम लोग यहाँ से एक स्ट्राइप लेंगे हेयर की, एंड देन अगेन फ्रॉम हियर विल टेक अनदर स्ट्राइप एंड हम लोग इसके ऊपर प्लेस करके वी नीड टू ट्विस्ट दिस एंड होल्ड दीज बोथ ऑफ दीज इन आवर हैंड. नाउ कंटिन्यूइंग द स्टेप टिल हियर. सो या, so after we reach here till the ear, we need to do the same thing with this side. So yeah. As you can see, we have done both the things from both the sides. So now we'll take a rubber band and tie it down like here. Tie it down in a messy bun. So we'll make a bun, and yeah, this is the bun. And then we'll just take out some hair out. And then यहाँ से थोड़े से बाल खींचेंगे. So yeah. Guys, for the hairstyle number 2, so guys, for hairstyle number 2, wait, I'm looking like Janwar. So yeah, so guys, the hairstyle number 2 is we need to
take small section from the आगे वाला हिस्सा of our hair. Yeah, only ऊपर वाला, okay? Just two of these two sections, and then we need to overlap them like this. Yeah, then take a rubber and just tie them. This is all we need to do. Now we'll have small puff-like structure with a middle part, and yeah, you're done. So this is the hairstyle number 2.
So guys, our hairstyle number 3 is very simple, a simple ponytail.
So back up messy one because I don't like the ponytail, which you know जब बचपन में लगती थी मम्मा लेके एकदम आधे सारे बाल टाइट अंदर एक भी बाल निकलवा लो. I don't like that anymore. So yeah.
We'll take a messy ponytail with a puff. So in this hairstyle, there's a tip which I'll give you. So yeah, stay tuned. So first of all, you just need to like this, take your fingers and move through your hairs like this. हर जगह से. So it will give that bounce to your hair. So yeah. Move number of times the fingers through your hairs, and yeah, so now just take your hair like this, and guys, my mirror is placed just below this, so yeah. And guys, one trick जिससे आप अपनी ponytail आगे ला सकते हैं is take the नीचे वाला हिस्सा of these two हिस्सा. Here comes the tip. You can make a puff without using any pins or anything. After you do this thing of bringing the hair, pony to hold this from here where you have tied, and then
Pull your fingers into this and just slightly pull your hairs. Do the same with this side. अपने fingers अंदर डालो and pull some of the hairs back. Fingers अंदर डालो and pull it outside. Now so finger under and pull it. Fingers and pull it. So yeah, this is what the final ponytail looks like. And obviously, if you want, you can just take some hair out of your ponytail, just in case you want a messy look. I love that look, so taking these hairs out.
So guys, after the ponytail, the next hairstyle for us is a messy bun. Yes, a messy bun is the next hairstyle. So yeah, let's get started with messy bun. So for the messy bun, first of all, I'll take the hair पहले से, obviously क्योंकि messy bun में hair बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. At least I love the आगे वाला hairs in messy bun. Also guys, I've cut my hairs at my home. Also guys, मैंने अपने बाल खुद काटे हैं, इस क्वारंटीन में काटा है. I have also filmed that video, but I'm not sure if I want to post it or not. So if you want the chopping my hair video, yeah, you can comment below in the comment section. I'll post that. So yeah. So I'll be doing the same step what we did for the ponytail. But this time we'll not take SM. But this time जो अलग चीज हम कर रहे हैं वो है कि we are not, merging all the sides. उसमें ponytail में we took hairs from आगे से भी, but here we'll not do that. We'll instead keep them in the middle partition and just take these hairs upwards. Okay? You can see my pathi, the line as it is. So yeah, now after reaching certain height, you need to stop and then hold your hair like this and then start. जस्ट जो ये बन है उसको खींचो लाइक दिस. नॉट ज्यादा जोर से मत करना वरना खुल जाएगा. सो या guys, this is it for the messy bun. Our messy bun is ready. So for the hairstyle number 5, we need to take half of our hairs. जो ज्यादातर फ्रीजी होते हैं वो हमारे आगे के बाल हो जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द स्वेट. वी जितना स्वेट हमको होता है फेस पे, उसके कारण जो आगे के बाल होते हैं वो सबसे ज्यादा.
half part of hair into like this. इतना सा काफी रहेगा. And then we need to tie it in the half ponytail. So the trick which we did for the ponytail, we'll do the same here also. सबसे नीचे वाले बाल लेके उसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐसे करके आगे लाएंगे and आगे से फिंगर्स अंदर डाल के आगे खींचो.
So here is our hairstyle number 5. So quick, है ना? So guys, for hairstyle number 6, wait. ढंका यार. So hairstyle number 6, क्या करना है? Keep your hair open. लेकिन ये करने से पहले एक टिप यहाँ पे लेनी है आपको कि you need to take the front side of your hair. Part your hair into 2 sides and उसके बाद आगे के जो बाल है इतने, या tie the rest पीछे.
ये आगे रहते हैं और ये विजिबल होते हैं सबको. ये फ्रीजी हो तो अच्छे नहीं लगते. So you need to take this and
ये सेक्शन को लेके you need to wash it. After you wash it, they are ready to keep open. So yeah. So guys, hairstyle number 7 में सेम स्टेप जो हमने किया था, वॉशिंग आउट आगे के बाल, एंड देन ये वाला स्टेप करेंगे जो मैं अभी करने जा रही हूँ. एक छोटा सा सेक्शन इतना सा फ्रॉम आगे, सेम फ्रॉम हियर, देन टेक इट टू द बैक एंड पीछे से यहाँ से टेक अ सेक्शन, देन टेक अ सेक्शन यहाँ से, ट्विस्ट इट, सेम वाइज यहाँ से लेंगे, ट्विस्ट इट एंड जस्ट tie it enough. इन आगे वाले बाल्स को ऐसे पीछे कर दो, then keep the two sections आगे. So yeah, this is our hairstyle number जो भी मैंने आगे लिखा था वो, and we are done. Now guys, the hairstyle number 9th I guess. So yeah, the hairstyle number जो भी है is now my personal favorite. मैं जब भी बोर होती हूँ, फ्रिजी होती हूँ, I literally go for this hairstyle. So you need to watch this. So yeah.
Again you need to part your hair in the middle section. And जो चीज हमने बन बनाने के लिए ली थी, मेसी बन, सेम चीज हमें यहाँ करनी है. हम ऐसे नहीं ले, अपने फिंगर्स को ऐसे डाल के ऐसे हेयर करेंगे. And यहाँ पे मिडिल पार्ट दिखना चाहिए हेयर का, हेयर लाइन दिखनी चाहिए अपनी. And yeah, you don't need to anything. So yeah, और कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Tie this here. It's a low ponytail. Messy low ponytail. Now just take your hair, जैसे कि हम almost हर हेयर स्टाइल में करते हुए आ रहे हैं, because
This is the thing. So now नीचे से थोड़े and so yeah, this is the hairstyle number जो भी है. So guys, now the last and the final hairstyle is the bonus hairstyle I was talking about. This is for any function you need to go, and you know this hairstyle you can make it in the auto rickshaw or in the car, or जिस पे भी आप जा रहे हो या ऑन द वे भी बना सकते हो. That's what I'm trying to tell, that ये बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी हेयरस्टाइल है, पर इजी होने के साथ साथ ये उतनी एलिगेंट और उतनी ही सुंदर दिखती है. सो या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. What we need to do is we need to part our hairs in the middle section. Yeah. And then need to take our hair, take out the things you want, the hair जो आपको बाहर चाहिए, and जो नीचे लेके गए उसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. नीचे you don't have to twist it, you don't have to do anything with your hair down. आपको सिर्फ पकड़ना है, and then you need to एक पूरे टाइम बाल को बाहर लेके सेकंड नॉट करते वक्त उसे हाफ में ही छोड़ देना है, लाइक दिस. दिस इज द नीचे वाला पार्ट जो बाहर लाना है, बट यू हैव टू लीव दैट लाइक दैट. एंड उसके बाद इसे ऐसे खींचना है, ऐसे. एंड यू सी दिस इज द लुक इट क्रिएट्स. नाउ अगेन हम फिंगर्स डाल के बाल बाहर खींचेंगे फ्रॉम एवरी साइड, जितना हमें जरूरत हो उतना. एंड या दिस बिकम्स आवर हेयर स्टाइल. या अब जो ये छोटे से बाल हैं उसे हम कहीं पे पिन कर सकते हैं. यू कैन पिन इट हियर और एनीवेयर एल्स.
this is the go-to one I was talking about. And
So these were 10 different hairstyles which you can do when your hair are frizzy or you are too lazy to, you know, take comb, sit and make your hair. So yeah, hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also hit that post notification bell so you get notified each and every time I post something new. So yeah, this was it for today's video. See you soon in the another video. Till then, bye.